Hi YouTube, so today we're going to be finishing up these quests up here. I have to defeat the spider over here, and yeah. Hey buddy, you want some? Here. Whoa, why is there two? Okay, let's go. Yo, our bees are just leveling up. Sick. Die. Buddy. I got pineapple from them. I don't think I ever got pineapple. I'm gonna finish up doing this very quickly. Get my whole thing. Whoa, what is that bee? Oh, he has that bee up there. No way. That's awesome. I want to get my container full. Then I'm gonna go talk to Panda. Promise. Oh. Come on, give me pineapple. Okay. Well, that was that. Sorry about that. Alright, let's go talk to Panda. Hey buddy, wanna chat? Oh, I got a little royal jelly. 15 ladybugs? Okay. I can do that in time. But we got 2 royal jellies. We got 2 hives that we need to give out royal jellies to. So if we get a legendary again, I'm gonna be so surprised and happy. Wait, we got 33 pineapple? I don't remember that. Okay, let's give you Hasty Bee. Awesome. Rascal Bee. Okay, we got every single one of this hive is different. Well, it's awesome. Okay, I think we can get one more egg. Thank you. Oh, what's this? It makes me a bit faster. It's awesome. Real handy. It's not what I wanted. Okay. So far, we're doing really well. Especially with our legendary. Never really thought that I would get a legendary this far into this short amount of time. We should be able to finish this quest. Yes, I got a treat. Oh, there's a little. I'm gonna take a moment just to run into these guys. Oh, I got a royal jelly. Oh, sick. Cool. Okay, I perfect now. Alright, let's go. Oh. I want to run into these guys. Oh, no. Ah. Okay, let's head back to our... You know what we should do? We should be over here for a bit. What's at 16K? We can help out for a bit. See if we can get a royal jelly from this. Well, let's go. Sick, okay. Collect as many things as possible. Oh shoot, no, we got it. Oh well. Got 2 royal jellies from Sprout. Okay. Let's head to the field again. How many treats did I get from that? I have 16. If I did my math. Honey Storm. Whoa. This episode is so cool. I found a ticket. Cool. Oh, look how... I got 38K from this. Yeah. Okay, cool. Go bees, go. Good job. Cool. Whew. Okay. Oh, congrats. You... Faster! There we go. Okay, cool. Just wondering how I could do that. Oh, let's get a new egg. I got 2 new eggs. Moon charms. Whoa, Chris, you're born with a beef by 250? That's amazing. Like, did you get bitten? No. I don't think I did. Oh, sick. What quest do I have? Oh my gosh, it's like 12K pollen I have to do. Wait. Right, alright. It's gonna fit one right there. Yeah, I know that. Cool. Alright, see if we can get... Oh, awesome. A new tape. Let's go! No way! No way we got another legendary. man, look how happy they are. I'm gonna name him Gerald. Just because I feel like naming him that name. Alright. Oh yeah, it's 23. Okay. Oh. Let's start farming. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.